everyone, my name is Kelly. Welcome to my channel. So I'm so excited to share with you that tomorrow is Black Friday and everything's on sale, including the LeSean Silken Solution Repair and Detangle Spray. So as you know, and you've asked me on my YouTube channel what I use to have my hair healthy, as well as shiny, as well as it's not tangly. Well, for the past year, I've been using the LeSean Silken Solution, and my hair can be brushed in the shower. It's not breaking it. I'm able to keep it nice and smooth because they have all of these vitamins and keratins and proteins that protects the hair. So I'm so excited to share with you, and as well as if you type in my code KELLYHONGLE, you're gonna get 25% off on the products, as well as they're having the buy one get one free LeSean Detangler Spray. So make sure you check it out. All the best everyone, and happy shopping Black Friday. So until next time, bye everyone.